the water, the nutrients of the foods are mixed with the water. These nutrients are lost if the water is thrown away. So we must not throw away the water in which foods had been boiled. Thank you.
We should eat cucumber, radish, tomato, lemons raw. Cooking destroys the nutrients in these foods.
Respected teachers and my dear friend, today I will present one thought about freshly cooked food. Freshly cooked food does not have any germs. Germs are very small organisms that makes us sick. Cooking kills germs and make food safe to eat. If a cooked food is used for a few hours in a warm place, it can become stale. Stale food has germs growing in it that makes us sick. Let's try with a corn. Let's try that the cooked food is better or the uncooked food is better. I have one uncooked corn and one cooked corn. Let's try it. First I will try that uncooked. I will eat it. It does not have any taste, but if I eat this one cooked corn, so I can eat and then I will tell you. The cooked corn has a good taste and I can chew it easily. So in last I will say one line. You must eat freshly cooked food. We shall make sure foods are stored at the right temperature and in appropriate manner to prevent growth of harmful bacteria. Food items can be preserved in sugar, salt, vinegar and oil. Pulp of ripe fruits can be preserved in high amount of sugar as jams and pickles are preserved in salt and oil or vinegar.
We should make sure that our hand surfaces and equipment are clean before, during and after cooking. Also, we should avoid cross-contamination, preventing the spread of bacteria to surfaces and ready to